Today I'm going to show you how to make muffins. We're going to go through 5 different recipes of muffins. We're going to make the corn muffin, a zucchini muffin, a bran muffin, banana muffin, and basic muffin. Some of them are a great way to start a day, a healthy way to start a day. Some of them are great snacks. And the basic muffin, the good thing about it is that you can mix it with different things. You can make it either chocolate muffin, white muffin, top it with whipped cream for a kid's birthday, or of course put all kind of different things inside, chocolate chips, blueberries, as you're going to see. Later on, I put apples inside. An important thing to have before you start baking a muffin is to have a muffin tray, because cupcake holder by itself on a flat tray is gonna open up and all the batter is gonna spill out. So what I'm gonna show you today is kind of mushroom tray, which has a narrower inside, and then it kind of opens up and it gives the shape of a muffin that you see a lot in coffee shops, these huge muffins with a mushroom shape. Different trays for different needs, like for example smaller muffins for younger kids, bigger muffins as a breakfast, and so on.